this year at the World Championships. She took silver this week at the 200 metres. And there's the 4 times world champion, world record holder, Shi Yiting, gold medalist in Tokyo. She's taken the gold in the 200 this week. It's Veronica Hippolito, bronze at this year's World Championships. Ali Lovell featuring at her first games. 200 metres bronze at the Worlds in 24. Can she do any better in the 100 metres tonight? And that's Araceli Rotela to complete the lineup. 4th at the World Championships last year, gold at the Pan American Games as well.